Welcome to Consumer Picks. The Best Mold Test Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or renter concerned about the air quality within their living space, as it provides a proactive and convenient way to identify potential mold issues before they escalate into serious health concerns or structural damage. These kits empower you to take control of your home's environment by offering a simple yet effective method for detecting the presence of mold spores, allowing for timely intervention and peace of mind regarding the safety and well-being of your family. Number 5. Mold Armor Do-It-Yourself Mold Test Kit. Discover mold quickly and easily with our home test kit. Get visible results in as little as 48 hours. This kit is versatile, allowing you to test for mold both inside and outside your home. It checks your indoor air quality for hidden mold. Utilize 3 effective testing methods: indoor air quality, HVAC systems, and surface sampling for visible mold. Each kit comes with everything you need to get started: a petri dish, swab, and mold growth medium. For a deeper understanding, you can opt for lab analysis. Certified US-based microbiologists can help identify the mold type for an additional fee. What we like? This kit offers visible results in as little as 48 hours, making it ideal for quick assessments. It provides 3 distinct testing methods to cover various scenarios, from air quality to surface samples. If you need to quickly identify potential mold issues in your home and want the option for professional confirmation, this is a great choice. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides clear results. It detected mold in areas I suspected but couldn't see. The kit comes with everything you need for a thorough test. Number 4. Kayenqo Mold Test Kit. Introducing the Kayenqo Mold Test Kit, your all-in-one solution for detecting mold in your home. This comprehensive kit makes testing simple and straightforward. Easily test indoor air, HVAC systems, cars, and various home surfaces for mold. Its versatility allows you to check up to 12 different locations, ensuring a thorough inspection. Our kit includes a detailed guide with images of common household molds. Compare your test results to identify the types of mold present, empowering you with knowledge. Everything you need is included: 12 test plates, swabs, gloves, and labels. You can conduct 12 individual tests or 2 tests on 6 different areas for flexible testing. Worried about mold? Follow our included mold removal guide to effectively address any detected issues. You can even retest after removal to ensure a clean environment. Unsure about your findings? Simply send us pictures of the mold, and our lab staff will help you identify it. We're here to assist you every step of the way. Don't let mold compromise your home's health. This high-value kit is perfect for checking high-risk areas like wooden furniture, cabinets, and wardrobes. What we like? With 12 individual tests, this kit offers exceptional value and allows for testing in multiple locations or retesting after remediation. It includes a comprehensive guide to help identify mold types and offers expert consultation for difficult cases. If you're looking for a thorough and cost-effective solution for extensive mold testing in your home or office, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This mold test kit is easy to use and provides clear results. The kit comes with everything you need to collect samples and send them to the lab for analysis. I was impressed with the accuracy of the results and the detailed report I received. Number 3. Home Mold Test Kit, 3 DIY Tests with Lab Analysis. This is a DIY mold test kit designed for accurate surface mold detection. It's important to note that it is not intended for air quality testing. Our user-friendly design makes testing simple and safe. It includes a quick start guide and an inspection booklet to help you through the process effortlessly. This kit detects all types of mold. Lab fees and an illustrated report are included, giving you confidence in the thoroughness of your home mold testing. Save money on costly professional inspections. Our kit provides professional-grade results at a fraction of the price, making mold testing accessible. Expert consultation is included at any stage. Get the help you need to understand your mold test results and gain valuable inspection insights. With 3 tests included, you can get reliable and quick results for your home. The included lab analysis and expert consultation ensure accuracy. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for accurate surface mold detection and includes lab analysis and expert consultation right out of the box. It's a user-friendly option that saves you money compared to professional inspectors. If you are primarily concerned about visible mold on surfaces and want professional-grade analysis and support without the high cost, this kit is an excellent option. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides clear results. The kit comes with everything needed for testing, including detailed instructions. It accurately detects mold in various areas of the home. Number 2. Home Mold Test Kit, 12 Tests. This is a complete mold testing kit designed for your home. It allows you to test air quality, surfaces, and your HVAC system with 12 individual tests. Easily test various indoor environments with this versatile kit. It's perfect for detecting unseen mold in any room, including attics, basements, and living areas. Utilize 3 distinct testing methods for a comprehensive analysis. Choose from indoor air quality, HVAC system sampling, or surface sampling for detailed mold detection. Our kit includes a detailed guide to help you identify common mold types and learn removal techniques. Get professional analysis by simply sending us photos of the mold. We provide everything you need for convenient and professional mold testing. Ensure your family's health and safety with accurate and reliable results. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides 12 tests for various home areas, including air quality, surfaces, and HVAC systems, with free lab analysis included. It offers a versatile approach to indoor testing, ensuring you can check almost any area of concern. If you want a complete mold testing solution for your entire home with the added benefit of free professional analysis, this kit is a strong contender. What people say. The test kit is easy to use and provides clear results. It accurately detects common types of mold. The instructions were straightforward and the testing process was simple. Number 1. Kiprim WM01 Pinless Moisture Meter. Introducing the Kiprim WM01, your solution for accurate moisture detection. It safely measures moisture content without damaging surfaces, making it perfect for wood, walls, and concrete. This device features 4 tailored modes for softwood, hardwood, walls, and masonry. This ensures precise readings across a variety of materials you need to test. Quickly detect hidden moisture in your walls and surfaces. Take action before mold becomes a problem, keeping your home safe and healthy for your family. Conveniently lock your measurement data with a single press. This feature makes referencing and recording your findings simple and efficient. Receive sound notifications for wet conditions to stay informed. You can also mute the alerts for silent operation in quiet environments. Designed with wear-resistant mats and a robust sensor, this meter is built to withstand tough usage conditions. It's a durable tool for long-term use. Your purchase includes the Kiprim WM01 Moisture Meter, a user manual, a carrying pouch, and a 9V battery. Get started right away. What we like. This device is not a mold test kit but a moisture meter, perfect for detecting hidden moisture in walls, floors, and before mold can even form. It offers pinless, non-destructive testing with multiple modes for accuracy. If you are looking to proactively prevent mold by identifying and addressing moisture issues early in various building materials, this tool is essential for home safety. What people say. The test kit is easy to use and provides clear results. It detected mold in areas I suspected but couldn't see. The instructions were straightforward, making the testing process simple. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.